This week's feast,
Tiana's Gumbo from Princess and the Frog. This week we're making another recipe from Princess and the Frog, and it is gumbo, one of my absolute favorite dishes.
and it must be one of y'all's absolute favorite dishes because this is very, very requested, y'all.
Yeah.
You guys have been hitting us up about this for a long time.
Pretty much since the movie came out. By the way, nice use of y'all. As you all
Yes.
know, this movie takes
Yes.
place in New Orleans.
New
Orleans. And this kind of recipe is universal all around the world. Every culture has something like a gumbo, which is like a thick, soupy, brothy thing that you can put on rice or you can just eat by itself.
But this recipe in specific is indigenous to that part of the world.
Yeah,
so,
we got
you know,
Cajun
you got like
spices.
best gumbo in Louisiana, New Orleans. That Cajun country is known for this recipe.
This recipe is great. It's super authentic.
And we're really excited about it.
So let's get cooking.
The word gumbo is derived from the West African word for okra, though it's not necessarily found in your regular gumbos of today. We'll be using an assortment of delicious vegetables and meats to make our gumbo, also based off of what we see in the original animation of The Princess and the Frog. So we've got red peppers, onions, celery, and of course some okra. Start off your gumbo by making what's called a roux, which is essential to every gumbo. This will give it the thickness and consistency that we want. You might also remember that we use roux every time we make a curry on the show. Whisk together oil and flour on medium heat until it's a golden color, then add in your onions, garlic, bell pepper, celery, and Cajun seasoning. Continue stirring for 10 or so minutes until the vegetables are still crisp but cooked through. Now add your water, chicken broth, diced tomatoes, stir it up, and then your sausage and okra, and bring the entire pot to a boil. Let this simmer for 45 minutes to an hour until the gumbo is extra thick, and in the final 15 minutes, add in your shrimp and let it all cook through. And voila! Tiana and her father make some delicious looking gumbo in the movie, and now you get to enjoy that exact same pleasure in the comfort of your own home. Eat the gumbo by itself or serve it over some rice and let the warmth bask over you with this delicious and authentic gumbo recipe.
Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to dig right
Ooh,
in.
wait a minute, one more thing.
Ah, yes.
How could you forget?
Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, all right. Give it a little mix. Ooh, I'm gonna
I
get
love that smell. That vinegar smell is what's up.
I'm gonna get that perfect bite with sausage, shrimp, and a little okra.
Ooh, cheers.
Cheers. Wow. Wow.
Holy moly.
It's a good thing we let this cook for so long.
No wonder why this recipe has been requested like a billion times.
Yeah, this is incredible actually.
I cannot stop eating this, for real.
Oh, it's spicy too. That Tabasco added an extra kick. It was spicy before, but I can feel my nose sweating.
We should add some of our favorite hot sauce, which is from Louisiana.
That's right. Ah, Louisiana's pure crystal hot sauce. Now it looks like a Tabasco ball they used in the movie, but you know what? Add whatever hot sauce you want. This is gumbo, man. This is meant to ignite the fire deep within you and
The
give
flavors need to be on fire.
I mean, I'm sweating a lot right now.
Flavor
so-
on fire.
This might be one of the better things we've made on the show, honestly.
Crystal took that to the next level.
It really did. Hey, hot sauce
Louisiana
companies.
hot sauce.
Sponsor us, hot sauce companies.
Oh my gosh, you got a runny nose. It's so hot. And
Yeah.
your nose got sweat on it.
Yep, everything's
This is
sweating right now.
spicy.
You probably can't see it on the camera, but
Wow, it's cute. He's got little drops of sweat on his nose.
yeah, it's hot. Can you get me a napkin?
I should. Fire.
It is fire, and it was delicious.
It
and
was
that's
so good.
really all that matters.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for requesting this. As usual, you nailed it with the suggestion. This is amazing. Tiana's gumbo is worth it.
Yeah, exactly. Befitting of a princess as well as anyone in the world, because when she makes it with her pops, they're just at home chilling, living a normal, humble life. And that's, I think, where a lot of food like this comes from, actually.
Yeah, it's such a sweet little moment on the movie, and it's such a sweet little recipe.
Yes, absolutely.
Yep, it's like you said, Wem, it's the perfect fall dish. It's warm, it's spicy, it's perfect to make with your family, it's perfect to feed your family.
Yeah. You guys have been suggesting this forever. We're so glad we finally got around to it. But there are tons more recipes out there that we haven't yet done. So leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell us what we should make next on the show.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.